Okay, so this video is about this median. So please look at this worksheet, and then now we divide median, okay, for some meaning like this. Now we have median in terms of this that actually equals to the 50% of the distribution, okay, of the distribution. Okay, that means now when you look at this one, I guess you can see it will be, we have to put it in in ascending order, okay, ascending order. Okay, and after that we look at it, okay, it depends on whether we have even number of data or odd number of data. Okay, if we have even number of data, then you have to do something more. But if you have odd number of data, then you just have to add them together and then you find out the middle point. So now let's look at this one. If we have five data, okay, five data, so we consider 1 plus 5 divided by 2, and then we are going to look for the third one will be the median. So that is why 1, 2, 3 here. So we consider median to be 1. But if we have this one, now we have to rearrange it first. First one 10 cm, and then 12 cm, and then 14 cm, and then 16 cm. And then, because we know there are four data, that means we have four data, even number of data. So we consider 4 divided by 2, and then 4 divided by 2 plus 1, these two data. Okay, that means you consider the second one and the third one. So this is the second one, this is the third one. Okay, and then we add them together and then divide it by 2. So that is why you have 13 to be your median, okay, with the unit. Okay, and then for this one, this time you can see that we arrange it in ascending order. Okay, that is why now you consider this one and this one. Why? Because there are 6 data. So we have 6 divided by, 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, so that means we have the third one and the fourth one to be the data that we are going to consider. So these two will be what we consider. So we add them together and then divide it by 2, which will give you y minus 2. Okay, y minus 2. And then for this one, you have to rearrange it, okay, in ascending order first. So remember, this is the first step. So we have 21, 26, 29, 32, 37, 38, and 41. So this time you can count it, there will be 7 data. So you have 7 plus 1 divided by 2, that will be 4. That means you consider the fourth one. So if you look at the fourth one, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the data you consider. Therefore, the median will be equals to 32 in this case. Okay? And then this time you have this one, and again you rearrange it in ascending order. Therefore, you will have this one, the first one, 468 and 495, and then you have 702, and 869, then 934, 957. And this time you have 6 data. Okay, that means you have 6 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2 plus 1. These two data that you are going to consider, the third one and the fourth one. Okay, so that is why you are going to consider the median will be equals to 702 plus 869 divided by 2, which will give you 785.5. Okay, remember the unit. Do not miss it. Okay, and then for this one, this time you can see it. These will be the stem and leaf diagram. So you look for the data first. So that means now here in total 8, okay, 8 data. So I guess you can do the calculation. You have to look for the fourth one and the fifth one. Okay, therefore you will have to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means these two. Okay, so you have 35 36 divided by 2, which is $35.5 will be the median price. Okay. Okay, if you're going to look for the median of a continuous data like this one, now you actually can see this is the cumulative frequency. So median means that out of 32 students, you look for the 60. Okay, 16. Because the 32 times 1. 816. So you are going to do it in this way. Draw the line and then go back down here, and that is fine. That will be 6 meters square. Okay. The next one, like this one, we're going to find the median rating time of customer. So in total, there will be 60. So you have 2 times 1/2, which is 30. So and then to draw the line like this one, and then you can see that will be 14 minutes. Okay, 14 minutes.